Hi guys, in this video I will show you a way by which you can use free internet on your mobile device. For this trick, you'll need an eSIM compatible device and these two apps which you can see on the screen. These apps are Temp and GigSky. They both are available on App Store and Play Store. You'll have to download them first. After downloading, now open Temp app. Here, copy the email you will see on the screen. Then open the GigSky app. Tap on Countries and select the country in which you want to use free internet. Now click on 100 megabyte free trial. Here enter your details and in the email section, enter that email which you copied from Temp. Now click on Create Account. Now open Temp app again and go to the email section. Here open the email which you'll receive from GigSky. Open the link and wait till the account is verified. Now go back to the GigSky app. Now click on Buy Plan and wait till it shows successful. Now, name your device anything and click on Label Device. Here, click on Install eSIM and follow the process according to your device. Here, I'm using iPhone. When activating eSIM, if you'll be asked about which SIM to use for calls, SMS, and internet, you will have to choose GigSky eSIM only for internet and for rest your primary SIM card. This eSIM will work only for internet and you can't make calls and SMS using it. Now, I'll show you the speed test results. As you can see, the speed is good and usable, but you can use only 100 megabyte using one eSIM. If you want to use more free data, then you can use Temp app to create multiple emails to register as many eSIM as you want. Using this trick, you can use unlimited data for free. If you will have any problem while using this trick, you can comment me down with your problem and I will try to solve your issues. If your device is not compatible with eSIM, then you can comment if you want to use this type of trick on non-eSIM compatible devices. I will make video on this. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more videos of this type.